We go right.
I can't get up.
What?
Are you behind me?
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Sorry, this will take a...
You're good. Take your time.
Who's that, Maeve? Who's that?
Maeve.
Wow. Guys, you made it down.
I know.
Oh my God. Yeah, Maeve.
I can't see anything, bruh. This GoPro isn't seeing anything. Oh, you made it up?
Yeah, I made it up.
Okay. Is everyone over there?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, hold on.
Good. I think we should push Sophie. Yeah?
Where's Sophie?
Sophie died.
Oh, right. Okay.
There you go. Good job. Good job. Jace couldn't do it?
Huh?
Jace couldn't do it?
No, I think he's on around.
Unbelievable.
He's, and I quote, not flexible.
I'm not flexible at all, but yeah.
And you're taller than him.
Yeah. Whoa, this is so cool.
You don't gotta be flexible, you just gotta like commit.
Yeah, exactly. Just be calm.
Where are they all?
There. Let me see this. 3, 2, 1. Go. Wow. I'm good. How about you?
Is someone coming?
Ooh.
You okay?
Huh? No, I fell over. Sorry.
I thought someone was behind us, but there was no one.
Yeah, nope. We're the last ones. There you go.
Hello?
Were we supposed to go somewhere else?
Yeah.
Oh.
So, unbelievable. Well, follow me.
I follow you.
Follow me? How you
Yeah,
follow me? What? You see this?
Liar.
Exactly.
Wait, this is the way.
Oh, okay. So just go down there? We are going to go.
Oh, sorry.
So I have to get out. We're going to go that way.
Oh, there's someone else. Who's there?
Hello.
Hey,
Oh, hi.
Hey, there you go.
Oh, hey.
hey. I want to look around though. Or not.
Because, guys, I'm goated.
Okay, we're going to...
Oh, hi, guys.
Who is that?
Maeve, I made it.
Who is that?
Maeve.
Okay.
I made it through the tiny little, wait.
That's Tilly.
Is this where the tiny little hole is? Where is Alopecia?
Wait,
Right
is
here.
that already through there?
Right.
I'm right here.
Hey, just join them, okay?
Hi.
This is our,
Where are we going? I made it through the tiny little hole because I'm goated.
No, you'll fit. Oh, sorry. Hold on. I have to like look at Yo, who wanna try this hole?
No. Who is trying that hole?
Who's trying this
Where
one?
are you, Alopecia?
Is there like a way to get up here?
Yo, over here.
Guys, over this way.
Medium, over here.
Guys, come back.
They're all stuck.
You're stuck. Get a small person. Look out. Where did you go? You think they down there?
Guys, all come this
No,
way.
that way.
We wanted to come this way. They're all gonna get lost.
I was gonna say, no way y'all actually going down that way.
Just walk this way.
Who said that?
That's Teeny. Shut up.
Hey guys, did Gibby go through the tiny tunnel? Did he go through the tiny tunnel?
Yeah.
Oh, he did?
What? Oh, my phone.
Guys, my knee is not built for this.
My shoulders are really broad, bro.
So am I.
My shoulders are broad.
I got broad shoulders.
Doing this, and I'm not flexible, so.
Here, you can put me back.
Hey, I can't.
Gibby.
Teasing you. But
It's because you had your arm up on the thing.
My shoulder, I did. I went like that, and my shoulder got.
You should have went arm first.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Like arm.
I did. I went like
hugging
this
the ball.
once I got my arm, and I just tried to go down, and my shoulder kept hitting the top of the rock. I'm just high.
What's her name? Zara.
Zara, honey.
Come home. The kids miss
I
you.
see her. She's over there.
Okay. We're good. We got everyone.
I think I have to go down and under to go.
Well, then we're already 3 steps ahead. We're always 3 steps ahead.
You know what? This is good times. While you're just trying to get in.
My knee, bro.
Like I went under, came over here, went through here, went through again, because there's 2 over here.
Right. Oh yeah, I saw you poking your head out.
Yeah. And then I came up, said hi, obviously. And Zara was like, wait up. I was like,
You're dirty.
I'm trying to see my partner.
Wait, find out more.
And you're
Yeah, he's dirty.
It's okay, I love you.
You have my GoPro?
It was like,
That's okay. You know, it's recording the ceiling. Oh, Alan's coming this way. Hi, Alan. What's up, dog? We're from A Dog.
Hey, caveman.
I'll move over when he gets closer.
Stop calling him caveman. That's disrespectful.
Loki, though, it's his job. He's getting paid to be a caveman.
Yes.
This is his job.
I'm about to be a caveman.
he makes some money on.
Should I move over or
All right.
yeah?
Now.
Maybe?
Zara, get your honey over here.
All right. Who's going first?
Me.
All
I'll
right.
go second.
Listen up. Listen up. Guys, listen up. Because I'm going to let you loose on this one.
Okay.
See that hole there? Yeah.
Sure, I guess.
Gotta go through that.
Yes.
I guess.
Sideways.
Okay.
Like
Feet first or head first?
What do you
Then
mean?
drop down
Okay, so feet first.
Drop down?
about 10 feet.
10 feet?
It's not a lot.
No.
Yeah, wait. Yeah, you're probably like 5 foot. 6.
It's only like waist height.
10
Yeah.
feet?
It's not that high.
Yeah, you're almost
Okay.
6 foot. Like it's not that
Someone
big.
carry me
I
down.
want you to get everybody into the
It's like
room.
4 feet.
Okay? Who's going into the room?
We have to crawl back
All
up.
right? Once you get in there,
No, probably take a different way.
there's 3 other passages to get out. You have to find one. And you have to get everybody out.
Is it like a flat thing?
Is it like a rescue mission?
What in the Indiana Jones is
Station.
I'm going to.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going
What in the
to.
Underground
We'll be a trio.
Railroad?
We'll be a trio,
There's a
guys.
wall there.
I gotta see that room.
We'll be a trio.
I'm Cyrus. I feel like I'm in the Underground Railroad.
Exactly. Like what? Tubman.
A big boulder about to come and chase after me.
I'm like Harriet Tubman. Like,
Okay, what? I don't believe.
yes, we are.
No, but like if we're in the Underground Railroad.
Exactly.
Who's that?
I'm being free.
Don't rush. Come
Oh
on.
my God. Troy, do you want me to go?
Your time coming down.
You go, baby.
Okay.
Take care of the person behind you. Remember.
Zara, take care of me.
Y'all think I'm that skinny to fit through that?
Yes, you are.
We're turning. Good.
Face this way. Yeah.
Up here.
That bad.
Not a bad drop, though. Just like
Oh, that's not a 10-foot drop. It's like a
Hold on to the rock.
3-foot drop.
Oh,
That's
Oh, I got the mechanism.
Take your time. Take your time. Whoop, slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down.
be careful, do not hit your head, because this is our
Here we
problem.
go.
It's not
Over
like
here.
that.
Wait.
Just wait. Don't get too close to him.
Wait, don't laugh at me. I'm scared.
Hold on.
Wait a minute.
No.
My helmet can't fit, guys.
5 seconds up and that's it.
My helmet wouldn't fit. Holy.
I can't see because I'll be like, why do you do that? So you like fly up here.
I just pushed off while catching
She can just fly. It's okay. Come on, guys. Y'all got this. We're so goated, bro.
Oh my god. Is this the
Come on,
way?
y'all got this.
Is this gonna be the way?
Probably.
I don't know.
We choose the way. We are the way.
This big rock don't step on it.
Suck
shift.
it in. Oh, that's no, I'll take the fit.
Ow.
Stay right here.
What just fell?
Nothing.
Oh,
That's your butt. Hi.
hello.
It's just a rock. It was shifty, so I moved it.
Right.
It was a top rock. Don't worry.
Okay.
I don't move anything underneath something else.
How?
I know the rules of caving.
Is somebody trying to like through here?
No. Sorry, bruh. We are. No, my toothbrush is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I'll show y'all when we get back.
My toothbrush is just purple.
No, like I can't.
You're like a little kid.
Me? Or no?
Yes.
She said she feels like.
No, I said you're like a little kid.
Oh. They said I feel like.
I feel like a little kid in this cave.
Like a kid in a candy store.
I didn't know little kids do that.
I'm chilling. Oh, this is actually really comfy, guys.
I'm not uncomfortable right now.
I was a little uncomfy.
Is anybody else in this cave?
No, it's just us. Cyrus, what's his name? Is it Cyrus? Don't go head first, please. I swear to
I'm
God.
not falling.
I'm not catching you if you fall.
I'm not falling. I had my thighs catching me.
Right. Is my camera facing? We're good?
Yeah.
I'm getting this camera all muddy. Sorry, dog. I'm all muddy, actually. Plus, it's like meant for caving, so it's okay.
And it's a good wash too. 'Cause it's kind of clean. I didn't know they actually washed it.
They wash the cave, what?
They washed these, apparently.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do. You saw how clean it was?
This is not what it looks like when I got it.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean these?
Yeah.
I thought they meant the cave.
It's like they better not wash this cave. It's gonna destroy it faster than anything. Like power washing the walls. So bring it back a little bit.
Are y'all okay? Like,
Yeah, are you struggling?
holy hold up. My hair is gonna be so muddy after this. I really don't care
Oh,
though.
that's
Low-key mud mask, low-key conditioned hair.
not gonna happen. Mine's just gonna be naughty.
Yours is not actually that bad. You're supposed to tuck it in.
What, your hair?
Yeah, if you have long hair, tuck it in this.
That sucks. Too late.
Too late now.
Too late. I really don't care. I'm already in it. It's just mud. The dirt don't hurt.
It's just mud.
Dirt don't
That
hurt.
don't hurt. That could be the only ones in here.
We're like all about that life, bro.
I feel like
We should stick as a trio.
yeah.
Cause I feel like partners is just messy.
I feel like there's a trio of like daredevils, and then there's the trio of like, oh, maybe I'll do this.
What's the easier way?
Yeah.
We can have
there's
we can have 2 groups of 3 and 3 groups of 2.
What?
There's 2. We can have 2 groups of 3 and 3 groups of 2.
Okay, so
I'm not in school anymore, so that did not make sense.
3
to me.
times 2 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12.
and
There's 12 of us. Lock it. Oh wait, there's actually not 12 of us. I lied.
Well, what are you talking about?
Well, because I thought there was, because they said 12 was the amount allowed.
There's still one.
He's stuck. Cyrus.
Not
He's
12
stuck.
kids.
Cyrus, lock in. Is that his name, Cyrus?
3,
Is it
3
Cyrus?
is 6.
There's 3 guys and 6 girls. There's 9
There's 4 guys.
There's 9 of us.
There's 4 guys.
Oh,
There's 10 of us.
There is. There's 10 of us.
I went to grab her side and like pinch it, like you know how people just come to the side, could go see your side.
Yes, I hate when
And then
people
I
do that.
realized you're on a freaking ledge.
And then they go taser,
I
taser,
do that to my
taser.
cousins all the time, and they hate it. And then they do it to me, and I'm the most ticklish person ever.
Oh, thanks for telling us that.
I freaking realized she's on a ledge. She would fall like
No, I would
It touched
catch
an
myself. I
ankle.
would do like that.
No, I would fall.
I mean, like you're like I don't even get disoriented.
Miguel.
We know who the holdup is. I just realized.
Remember, guys, before you say anything out of the camera.
We know who the holdup is.
Hi, camera. I'm waving. This is Maeve. Maeve signing in. This is Maeve signing out.
Sit down. This is not comfortable anymore.
To think he's gonna be using some of my, like, I'm such a great camera person.
I cannot get there and be comfortable.
I'm comfy. I'm mega comfy. I'm mega ultra comfy. Playing with some clay over here. Y'all are cuddling.
Actually, this is comfortable. Like this.
I like a freaking seat right here. I'm chilling.
I'm laying against. I'm gonna have so much mud on my back, but then again, dirt don't hurt.
Zert, don't
Dirt don't hurt.
hurt.
Dirt don't hurt. Where is everyone? There's no lights coming from there anymore. They wouldn't just leave us. They wouldn't just leave us.
Everybody just.
Alan, if you're watching this and you left us, we're gonna fight.
Yeah.
Alan, I know you're gonna be watching this back because this is your footage, but if you just left us all, we're gonna tumble. Like, it's not gonna be okay. Who just threw something at me?
And you are wondering why. Look at this video.
Yeah, if you're wondering why we got into a fight, oh, there's a bug.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, that's barely a bug.
Stop throwing stuff at me! I'm genuinely getting aggravated. Y'all are such big rage baiters. It keeps hitting me in the face.
It does?
Yes!
I just threw it over her head. I have no like view of you. I like it at all.
Did you just kill it?
I don't know.
Yes, you did.
Stop throwing it at me! I'm getting rage baited.
Yo, like I don't know. It sounds like a little freaking kid. Stop throwing it at me.
Stop!
Not me. I didn't do anything.
I'm gonna hide.
Just look at your shoes, GoPro.
Yeah, watch my shoes. If I fall and
There's
die,
holes in
GoPro
your-
knows why.
There's holes in your helmet.
What? You missed, loser.
I want to rock at you.
No, please. I'm sorry. She's throwing stuff at me. That's so like irresponsible. So childish.
Oh, I am a dog.
We know. You act like one too. Who is that? Is that Gibby? Gibby, get a job. That's such jobless
Actually,
behavior.
where's Gibby? Throw this at him. Throw that
And
at
when he
him.
comes in, I'm gonna throw it at him.
Mine's big as hell.
Gibby, come on, hurry up.
Gibby, come on.
What? Too big. Like siren.
Yo. Just lock in. I thought I was too big. My helmet, bro, my helmet was not coming. My helmet was not like going through.
Gibby, come here.
That was the hardest part to get through was my helmet.
Gibby.
Is that Gibby? Come on, Gibby.
Come here, Biggie. Gibby.
Here, Gibby, Gibby.
Come here, Biggie.
Is
Biggie.
that Gibby? Who is that?
Gibby, Gibby.
That's not Gibby. Who are you?
Oh. Is Gibby
I was about to
behind
throw
you?
clay at him. Is Gibby behind you?
He's not coming. He got stuck.
Gibby. Oh my Gibby.
Biggie, Gibby.
Who is this? Is this Alan? I think this is
Gibby,
Alan.
Biggie.
Evil Biggie Gibby.
No, this is Caillou.
This is Caillou. Caillou, come on.
Come on, Caillou. I'm just a little kid.
Oh my god, that was
Is that Caillou?
Caillou.
Caillou. I can't see. It's Caillou. Okay. Who is it?
Oh my god, I did it!
Who are you?
I'm Autumn.
Oh, hi, Autumn.
I did that, but I was so fast!
Good job, Autumn. Autumn, it's not funny.
No, because I really thought I was too big. I got really scared.
Who is behind you?
Me.
Who's me? Get down. Wait.
Get away.
The one from Sister City.
You can't say that.
You're lesbian.
I'm recording.
Nah,
Caillou, come here. Caillou, come here. What? I want to bang your head.
Tommy!
Yes.
You don't do it?
Who's behind you? Oh, freaking. What's her name?
Now
There's a little like freak.
I'm Caillou the Explorer now.
I forget her name.
Hey, girlie.
Brianna.
There you go. There you go.
Can you back me? I'm gonna mix it Dora and Caillou.
Please comment, like, and share. It helps others find this video.